Welcome to today's lecture on digital marketing strategy. This critical aspect of business strategy involves leveraging digital channels to effectively reach and engage with your target audience. Today, we will focus on 4 key areas: search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, SEM, content marketing, and social media marketing. By the end of this session, you should have a clear understanding of how these components can be integrated into a cohesive digital marketing plan. First up, SEO. SEO is the practice of increasing both the quality and quantity of website traffic, as well as exposure to your brand through non-paid, also known as organic, search engine results. It's not just about search engines, but about making your website better for people too. SEO involves 1. Technical SEO, ensuring your site meets the technical requirements of modern search engines with the goal of improved organic rankings. 1. Key elements include optimized mobile performance, fast loading times, and secure connections. 2. On-page SEO. This refers to content and HTML source code adjustments that help search engines understand your site and content, including the use of relevant keywords in titles, meta descriptions, headers, and content itself. 3. Off-page SEO. This involves external optimization practices that happen away from your site, such as backlink building and improving link popularity. 3. Next, we discuss SEM. Unlike SEO, search engine marketing involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine results pages, primarily through paid advertising. SEM may incorporate SEO, which adjusts or rewrites website content to achieve a higher ranking in search engine results pages, but it's primarily focused on using paid advertising to gain traffic. We'll cover 1. Pay-per-click, PPC. A model where marketers pay a fee each time their ads are clicked. 1. It's a way of buying visits to your site, rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. 2. Ad auctions. An essential concept in SEM, where keywords are auctioned, and marketers must bid on the terms they want to trigger their ads. 3. Ad optimization. The process of constantly refining PPC ads based on performance metrics like click-through rates, CTR, and conversion rates. 3. Moving on to content marketing, which is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Components include 1. Content strategy. Developing a strategy that speaks to your target audience based on their needs and preferences. 2. Content creation. Producing engaging content that is tailored to the platform on which it will be shared. 3. Content distribution. Using channels like blogs, ebooks, podcasts, and videos to distribute content that educates, entertains, or informs your audience. 3. Finally, we'll dive into social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Key elements include 1. Platform selection. Choosing the right platforms where your targeted audience spends the most time. 2. Engagement strategies. Developing content that promotes engagement and encourages sharing. 3. Analytics and adjustment. Monitoring engagement and performance metrics to refine strategies and improve engagement over time. 3. A successful digital marketing strategy doesn't rely on a single component. Rather, it integrates all components to maximize reach and engagement. For example, content marketed through social media can boost SEO efforts by driving traffic to optimized web pages, which in turn can be converted into leads through targeted SEM campaigns. We'll examine case studies from companies like HubSpot, which excels in content marketing, and Shopify, which uses an integrated approach to leverage SEO, SEM, and social media marketing to dominate the e-commerce platform space. To wrap up, your task as future digital marketers is to understand each of these areas not just in isolation, but how they can complement each other in a digital marketing strategy. Next week, we will conduct a workshop where you will develop a sample digital marketing plan for a hypothetical company using the strategies we discussed today. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you apply these concepts in our next session.